Hello there. Welcome to uDemand. Let's talk about uDemand before we get started with the video. uDemand is a real-time, integrated software training platform that helps users acquire marketable skills in order to succeed in today's global economy. In today's session, we will further about hiring and supervisory organizations. For human capital management purposes, Workday's core structure is the reporting structure, our supervisory organization. Within management structures, employees are organized into groups and monitored individually. The core structure of the system is the supervisory organization, not the cost center or department costing structure, while other organizational structures might be utilized to reflect different perspectives on the organization. Let's move on to process overview and its pre-hires. When using the Workday system, users can choose from several different entry points to do the same action or see the same data. There are a number of approaches to the hiring and onboarding of employees. Users are able to pick their ideal way of doing an action from among the available choices. An individual who is followed before to hiring is called a pre-hire. Pre-employment screenings are simplified with the help of the Workday recruiting tool. Even if your company doesn't use recruiting, you can still use Workday to generate and manage pre-hires all the way through the hiring process, from first assessment to final interview and, hopefully, employment. We will discuss in detail about each pre-hires. Creating pre-hires. We will begin the hiring procedure by entering data for a new pre-hire. Name, address, phone number, email address, and even country and sourcing details may be included for potential new workers. This data may be input manually or imported via connection with a third-party applicant tracking system if you aren't utilizing Workday recruiting. Candidate information may be followed along when the pre-hire is assessed for a position. Managing pre-hires. Privacy regulations and rules on how to deal with applicants' personal information vary from country to country. For legal or regulatory reasons, businesses often have to delete pre-employment documents after a particular period of time has passed. Pre-hires and Workday recruiting. Instead of utilizing Workday recruiting or manually inputting pre-hires, you may have Workday interact with alternative recruiting, applicant sourcing solutions like Taleo or Lumes TalentLink. Different recruitment apps may implement connectors in different ways. Pre-hires and integrations. A job demand and an internal or external candidate begin the job application business process. The first stage is to examine the candidate, and from there you may either skip the interview, reference check, offer, etc., depending on how your organization operates, or you can go through all of these steps. When an applicant is deemed hireable, a number of business procedures are triggered, including hire, change job, and contract contingent worker, and a corresponding assignment is delivered to the appropriate inbox. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel uDemand so that you may be alerted of future videos.